What's going on, everyone? KGR DIY here with another video, and today's short video is just me cutting my grass. As you can tell, my grass needs a little trimming, especially in this area where I like to keep my precious metals. As we all know, metal's not cheap anymore, and anything new you buy costs a pretty penny. These steel posts, fence, and other metal parts I got here may be of good use someday, so I like to keep my metal parts organized and in a clean and clear area. So let's cut the grass to prevent any critters from moving in. For this project, I'll just be using my Ryobi weed eater, my Troy-Bilt mower, and my loppers for the branches. I'm able to get the small weeds out of the way pretty quick, but for the bigger weeds that I have turned into branches, there is no way the weed eater is cutting through them. So I have to bust out the loppers to clear them out. I have another area back here of the garage that I'm also cutting out later today, but that'll be in a separate video. I am cutting out right now though these weeds here that are sticking out and leaning over. First, I have to go back there and pull out anything I may have at the back so I can have a clean area to start to cut the grass without any obstacles. I have this small slab that is all cracked already. Not sure how old this concrete slab is, but eventually at some point I'll be removing it. But for now, I just have to keep it as clean as possible. So let's wrap up this video. Major difference from how things looked at the beginning, much cleaner now. If you all enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It'll help the channel out tremendously. I'll try to put out some more content for y'all soon. Let me know if you all enjoyed this short video in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.